Oh, what's up guys, here we're in a 2020 Lexus NX300. I'm going to show you how to reset the oil light and the maintenance light. Now here we're going to use these control button to navigate through the computer system. Now as you can see, it's a push button, so we're going to push this twice to get the engine in the run mode. Now push this button here to clear the screen. From here you gotta navigate through the vehicle. Now at this point you're gonna search for vehicle settings. Now there's vehicle setting, you hold on the middle button to get this. So oil maintenance, hold the middle button and you go to yes, and you click this button and there it is, all data has been reset. Now let us see what else we gotta do. Now let us clear this. So schedule maintenance, yes, data has been reset. So those are the two things that you need to do when you are servicing this Lexus NX300. Thank you. Hope this video helped.